If you want to enhance your security by removing all devices from your Wise account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is up to date and secure. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open your web browser and go to the Wise website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it, then select Security from the drop-down menu. Step 3. View Connected Devices. In the Security Settings, find the section labeled Connected Devices or Device Management. Here, you will see a list of all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of connected devices. Identify any devices that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of these devices for removal. Step 5. Remove old devices. Next to each device, there should be an option to remove or disconnect. Click on this option for each old device you wish to remove and confirm the action if prompted. By following these steps, you can easily remove all devices from your Wise security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly updating your connected devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.